and welcome to a new episode. As you saw in my previous episode with my M3, I've just taken it out of winter storage after like 6 months or something, like half a year basically. So it's really good to have the car out again on the roads, and it's plates and everything, it's all good. So what you saw in the previous episode was me mounting my new 19-inch CSL replica wheels, and those look, to be fair, pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. We did actually raise it up to make those wheels fit, and the fitment in the rear is quite good, but the fitment in the front was kind of bad. So as you see right here, I have actually lowered it a little bit here, so now the fitment is really good at the front as well. So now I think the car sits really, really good. And I've given the car its first wash as well for the air. So I mean, it looks really, really clean. And always it looks a little bit better on camera, so it looks even more clean for you guys. But yeah, it looks really, really good. So this, a lot of you guys have been asking me about if I'm going to sell it or not, and to be honest, I'm still don't know, because this winter I have been thinking a lot about it, but it feels that, I don't know, I'm kind of curious to like experience more of what this car can offer, so I'm considering to keep it this summer as well, but I don't know, because I do want a new car as well. It's a hard decision, but I really love this car. It has been a great summer last year, so I know this will give me good memories this year. And of course, upgrades is needed. I could need LED taillights, I could need a new exhaust maybe for it, because the sound is like original M3 sound back in 2000s. No good. So yeah, it could need some new upgrades, but I feel it's really, like, it's decent. And you see here the fitment here, it could be kind of lower, but I think this is okay. Like I said, it's in the previous episode, this is 255 tires, so it could be, it scrubs a little bit, so like 245, 235 tires is probably better, so I'm going to swap later on. We drove here and now the engine is warm, so now it's time to put that S54 engine to the test and take it for its first proper drive. I also want to give a massive shout out to BOTB, the weekly car competition, for sponsoring this video. BOTB gives away a car every single week to a guaranteed winner, and they have over 150 cars to play for. Tickets start at just €1, and you have to be 16 or over to enter, and although this is a UK-based company, anyone in the whole world can enter and win their dream car. You can also actually win a BMW E46 M3 for just a little bit over €1 by getting the winning coordinates in Spot the Ball Game. Each weekly competition closes at midnight on Sunday, so go check out BOTB.com and then you're in with a chance of becoming their next dream car winner. And you can even win €20,000 cash in the boot as well. But now, let's get back to the M3 and back to the video. Okay, so we are now behind the wheel of my built E46 M3, and I also brought along my cameraman, Truls.
Hey guys.
And he's gonna join for the first proper drive. Yes!
It's so guys. You can't do anything but smile.
It's nice. It's really something different driving around with this car compared to that compact I had with 100 horsepower. I mean, yeah, it can't compare. This is over 3 times as fast. So the power is, yeah, just insane. It feels insane. What do you think? It's cool?
Well, you need to drive more, and I give you a good opinion on that one.
Yeah, he's used to driving like a transporter, Volkswagen, so van.
I'm a working guy.
Yeah, so he's not used to fast cars. Okay, so we're getting up to some twisty, nice road with high speed limits. Very nice.
Yeah.
So we're going to put the car in sport mode like that, and then we're going to feel how she sits in the corners. It's so nice.
It's lovely.
I mean, this is my first proper like
Car?
yeah, yeah, proper car.
Yeah.
No, but like proper sports car, like really like the first powerful car that I got. But I think seriously that I'm being quite spoiled because this car, like an E46 M3, is a legend. I mean, that is a really good sports car. I could be, if I bought some other car, maybe that car would not seriously just have such amount of grip in the corners and like feel so good, because this feels very good in the corners and it can handle corners in quite high speeds, like 80 kilometers an hour, like speed limits kind of speeds,
You know.
for instance. And on track faster. No, but seriously, I think I'm getting a little bit spoiled because this is a very good car in the corners and on the straights, and I mean the power curve as well, really nice. It has like good power down low and torque, and that just goes all the way to redline. I mean, instead of a turbo car which you have that turbo lag and you have a little bit of power and then all of a sudden boom, a lot of power. This has just keeps, like here in fourth gear, it just pulls good, better, really good, insanely good.
Well, to compare it with the transporter, it's pretty good.
Is it nice?
It's pretty good. Yeah.
Oh, let's go on some
Something
private
else.
roads there.
Yeah, private roads, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Woo!
Oh, I love them private roads.
Oh, the private road. Oh, Mexico? What?
I didn't know.
It's
we
so
crossed
cold
the border.
in, cold in Mexico.
It's the
I mean, this is
coronavirus.
high risk because of the coronavirus and Mexico border crossing. Oh, Logan.
Well,
We should stay home. Logan.
it's not allowed to sleep in another place, like not.
Yeah, so we're going. This is one day trip. We're
Yeah,
going
one day trip.
straight,
We will not
straight
sleep.
back, straight back.
Yeah.
No sleep.
Not to worry.
The one thing I really feel the car is missing is the exhaust sound. It has a really, like the naturally aspirated engine makes a great noise, but I do really miss that exhaust notes. Agree?
Yeah, I agree. This has so much sound, but it's like, yeah, just be quiet.
Yeah, it doesnn't want to like.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It should be proud,
Yeah.
but it's really not. It's just
Yeah.
it's afraid. It's doesn't want to know.
Yeah.
It's kind of bad. So yeah,
It's
exhaust
kinda bad.
system. If I'm going to keep this car this summer, exhaust system, it's something I
this?
really need. I don't know.
Private road with ansvar for sjøveien.
What?
What?
What is this? This is a really private road.
Yeah, really. Yeah.
Access denied.
Yeah.
Okay.
How but you feel it in your stomach, like the tickling, like in a carousel?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice. It's like a
it's
nice
nice.
tickle.
It's like a nice tickle, yeah.
Oh, it pulls really good in seriously every gear. It pulls good in first, very good in first, almost too good. Second, very good. Third, good. Fourth, fifth, even sixth gear is pretty good. When I tried this on the Autobahn last summer, I'm amazed how good this pulls all the time. And it's such a good feeling that I've fixed the rod bearings. The Vanos is good. everything is good. So I'm like, and I've done oil changes and stuff like that. So yeah, the car is just ready to drive, and it's a BMW M engine. So I mean, it can handle it. That's what's really nice about it.
They can't handle it.
No, too much power. I am going to swap tires pretty soon. This is, yeah, they're not going to last so long.
No, they will not.
But the 255s in the rear look really good. I mean, that makes the ass look like really wide. So I really like that. But yeah.
Oh, shit, what's that?
It's actually.
It's 3 degrees in Mexico.
Yeah, 3 degrees in Mexico. Really cold today.
Yeah, why?
What is
the sun
going
is
on?
down, so maybe it's that.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. It's very bad. Nice though. Okay, quick pit stop. Cameraman is going to drive.
Hey.
I am going to fire up the drone. And hopefully we'll get some cool shots of the car driving. The sun is going kind of down, so hopefully we can get the drone like a little bit high so we will see the sun. And we'll get some nice driving footage of this beast, hopefully. So we'll fire up the drone and hope we can get some nice footage.
You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Why do you still
Don't feel safe.
Don't feel safe. I'm not feeling safe.
No, that's not me either. I don't feel safe at all. I don't know why you say it to a guy with a transporter with like 79 horsepower. Well, guy, get in the car with a 340 horsepower. Good idea. No, yeah. It's not. It's not a good idea.
It's a great idea.
You're gonna die.
Oh my god, it feels good. It's not even in sport mode. Oh my god.
It's just a fake button. Don't you worry, guys.
No, it's not a fake button. It does so much.
Oh, yeah, it's actually it's real.
It's nice. When we are pushing the button and you are having the throttle, you just yeah. You get punched back in the seat.
For all the children.
Yeah, you get punched back in the seat, Sport. We will take off. It's too aggressive.
And then it's.
Yeah, it's way too aggressive.
Well, let the cameraman show me how to drift.
No. No. I think not.
I think not.
Oh my god! Cameraman gone nuts.
I'm sorry, I can hold back.
It's so nice. My god. This deserves a trip to the Nürburgring.
Yeah.
But
with me.
Yeah. Of course, but it's probably closed because of Corona. We can't leave the country. Woo.
Yeah.
5th gear. Nice. Yeah, we can't probably leave because of Corona and stuff like that. Look at that.
Yes.
So pretty.
So pretty in here in Mexico. I don't know.
Yeah, Mexico's so nice. I like that. We like it.
Yeah.
Out on the countryside of Mexico City. Soon heading for Panama.
Panama, here we go.
Panama.
Maybe just go to Belize.
Oh, it's
quite nice.
moose here in okay. Nice. For New
That's
Zealand.
weird.
Very strange. I still have not figured out that airbag lamp, and I know it's something with the battery actually, because there is some like airbag stuff going on over there. It's some default code is like positive isolation plus pole or something like that. So I need to get that sorted out because no good seeing those in the dashboard or in the speedo. Yeah.
Where do you want to go? To Belize or to Guatemala?
Ska vi se, Panama, Belize,
Guatemala.
Guatemala, I don't know. Back to Mexico, we go back to Mexico.
Okay. Could be a song.
Let's go back to Mexico. Oh yeah, this road is not for heavy vehicles.
Oh, this is the nice one, so it's good.
Yeah, it's only for M3s and like
Yeah.
private roads. Nice. I know a lot of you guys did enjoy that video I did with my 325 racing or driving through some woods in the snow, and I will, if you guys want to, I can make the same kind of video with this, like a POV style, and get exhaust sound and GoPro on the exhaust and stuff like that. I really love those videos myself, to just enjoy some good driving, so I will get that done also if you want to. But let me guys know what else you want to see on this channel with this car, and I'm also going to make a lot more videos with my 325 Cabriolet, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Did you enjoy?
Well, I quite like this part when I am driving.
Okay, you
And
like driving?
for the rest, well, it's okay.
Okay. Well, I liked everything. Well, I don't like so much you driving. No, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you did like the video, and maybe subscribe with notifications so you don't miss a video. And let's talk in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, others have been here in Mexico.
The goddamn children.
Ah. Not safe, cannot play around on the road like that. Oh my god, get on the track, boys.
Stupid children.
Stupid children.
Stupid children.
Yeah, no good. Hopefully there will be more track days this summer. But yeah, anyways, goodbye.
Yes.
Have a good one.
Have a good one, baby. Oh, don't take that part, please. Just have a good one.